Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to add overlay on your videos in OBS. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see, I have OBS opened, and to add an overlay, what you can do is simply head over to your local storage. Like for example, I have this folder going on in here. I can simply so as you can see, just wait for a moment, and here, as you can see, I have this so let's say I have this logo of my channel and I want to overlay this. So you can simply drag and drop it onto your media display section. So you can see we have this display window which is showing us what exactly is being recorded, and you can simply paste or place any video or PNG in there and it will be overlaid automatically. So that's a process on how to overlay in OBS, and you can simply paste anything that you like in here and it will be recorded with a recording. So that's a pretty simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.